I tested 5 free Forex signal platforms and ranked them from worst to best based on usability and actual results, starting with number 5 free signal websites. There's a popular genre of free Forex signal websites like this one and like this one that seem to always be ranked number 1 at the top of the Google search rankings. As you can see, these pages have a grid of trading signals that appear to update constantly without any real reason. I think it's probably software-based indicators, no real human actually doing these. Now, I've been monitoring these trades for the past month, and if I analyze the signals beforehand, I am able to salvage some profit, as you can see by my 41% win rate and a profitable P&L. But I'm telling you, if I were to trade these signals blindly, the results would not look like this, and I would blow an account very quickly, and I'd probably end up homeless. But this wasn't all a total loss. I did place trades with every free signal provider that I'm analyzing today, and I'm gonna show you one trade for each. But before I go into this trade, let me explain how their trading signal works. So let's look at this Australian dollar, US dollar signal that's available right now. So if I was going to place this trade, I would come into my MetaTrader platform, I would click on new order, I would click on limit order, I would plug in the buy at price in here, I would set the take profit here, the stop loss here, and then I would click buy. And now, as you can see on the chart, if the price comes from the top of this candle right here to this green line right here, it's going to enter the trading position, and hopefully it goes up to this red line where I could profit from the position. But if it comes down to this red line down here, then obviously I would lose. So now that you know how it actually works, this is a trade right here that I actually used, and this was the trading result. So you could see the trading position pushed up almost immediately once it got into the trade. The signal was a success, and I smashed the take profit. Now, if we were analyzing this signal a little bit further, you can see we had a level of demand at this area right here. Price slowly retraced back to that level, and that's where they sent the signal, which is a pretty good idea. Generally, if I'm doing this though, I want a little bit more confirmation, but I do give them credit for putting the stop loss at this level right here, because this was a clear level of resistance. And if we continue to play this position out, you can see it shoots all the way down. So luckily, they did give us a good take profit level here. I'll give them credit for that. But all in all, the grid style free Forex signal websites simply were not consistent, with my main issues being there's way too many signals and there's no transparent reporting after the signal. So all in all, these are ranked 5 out of 5. Now let's jump into free Forex signal provider number 4, Reddit. I know what you're thinking, and yes, there are actually traders on Reddit, and there are 3 subreddits I followed for our little free Forex signal experiment today. I followed the Forex subreddit here, Forex Strategy here, and then the broader subreddit Forex Trading. And as for the signals on Reddit, this is what they look like. Mostly just people posting charts. This one you could see is using RSI divergence as well as support and resistance. Then you have trades like these, which have really no analysis at all, which I don't really like. And then there's trades like these, which are pretty good. You could see there was a level of resistance, now using that flip zone as a level of support. And this comes with a lower time frame as well, where the trader was clearly looking for a channel break and retest. Some pretty good trading concepts, and you can learn from these as well, which is nice. Now let's go into a trade I actually took. This was a gold sell trade. He provided the chart. And one of the best things about Reddit is that you do have transparency, because people are talking about the position as the position is going on and after that position is finished. So I jumped into this sell trading position on gold. I actually like this trade a fair bit. Why did I like this trade? Well, first off, we were clearly in a downtrend. You can see we are below that EMA, and you can see we also have a strong level of supply that I mapped out. We tapped into supply, price starting pushing down immediately, and then we had a level at the bottom here, which is a good level to take profit at, and I won the trading position. And if we go back into the comments, you could see one smartass said don't sell, and then the guy who sent the trade friendly maximum said I cooked this for 70 pips of profit, which is a good lesson in trading and signals. You have to trust yourself at the end of the day. Now, as for the overall trading performance, 54% win rate. It looks pretty good, but if I did not filter through these signals, again, it would not have went well. And should I really bring up that homeless picture again? I do like it. But the bottom line is the signals are too hard to follow because there's so many posts. You're only getting trades from amateurs and beginners, and there's no consistency because you're getting trades from different people every single day. But I will give Reddit credit for having transparency and discussions. But in terms of usability and results, it's still ranked 4 out of 5. Now we got to get into number 3, Discord. Now, before we get into number 3, I want to plug my signal room. It has 80,000 members. I've been running this for over 5 years. I send 1 trading signal per week. I literally have an open trade in profit right now. I just set my stop loss to break even, and I've had some pretty incredible years in the free trading room. And I'm currently on a 3-trade win streak, winning this trade, and this trade right here. So check the link in the description for my free Telegram. Join it now. And let's get into number 3. With a platform like Discord, this is where free Forex signals get a bit more subjective, because where do you find the signal providers? And in 2026, there's only one way, and it's not yelling out your front window at strangers. So I asked ChatGPT. Now, it spit out a bunch of information for me to analyze, and after a little bit more prompting, it brought me to this page here and this page here, where I randomly selected this room here and this room here, as well as a couple others to follow throughout the month. Now, the results on Discord were great, 66.67%, but there were almost no trades. And again, I filtered out a ton of bad positions. But don't worry, when I go to number 2, I won't filter anything, and I'll show you what it looks like just taking all the trades. You're gonna wanna see that. Now, as for usability, I didn't love Discord for trading signals. I think it can be used very well, but it certainly wasn't with any of the signal providers that I was looking at. And as for profitability, I still put it in the mid tier. That's why I have it ranked 3 out of 5. But now we've got to get into the big boys. So let's go to number 2, Telegram. Number 2, Telegram. This is the platform I use for my free Forex signals. So you're probably wondering, why isn't this number 1 then? And don't worry, I will show you. So this time I picked 3 random channels. This one here, and this one here. But this time, instead of analyzing the trading signal before I traded every signal blindly, and you're going to want to see those results. But before I show you those results, let's get into my favorite trade. It came from United Signals. This was the position right here. It was a sell trade on GBP CAD. And so let's jump right into that trading position. It got an incredible reaction at the beginning of the trade. Now, obviously, it almost knocked us out right here, but it did inevitably go down and smash my take profit, so I was happy with the trade. As for the analysis of the trade, all we have to really do here is scroll all the way out, okay? It's clear on this trade they were looking at this level right here. You can see this is essentially the top of the trading range, and if we mark up this level down here, this would be the bottom of the trading range. So clearly price came all the way up here. It was exhausted. The signal provider thought, hey, we're getting the price up here, which is clearly at a discount, and the trade worked out perfectly. But you know what didn't work out perfectly? All the rest of the trades. You can see I had a 40% win rate, and it was filled with loss after loss after loss. Week 3 absolutely chewed my account alive. And that's why, if you're using Forex signals, whether they're free or paid, never use them blindly. Always do your own analysis. Now, to wrap up Telegram at the number 2 spot, the only reason it's not number 1 is because there's so many Telegram scam channels. Like right now, if I go on my phone and I type Trade with Pat, which is my name, and I type search, you will see there are hundreds of channels called Trade with Pat, and they are all fake, pretending to be me in order to scam you. So only go to the links in the video description if you are going to join. Never search Telegram on your own. It's not beginner friendly, which is why it's number 2 and not number 1. And as for number 1, it's TradingView. Now, a lot of people don't even know TradingView has signals. Absolutely free website. Come to tradingview.com or check out the link in the description. Then come up to community right here. Come down to trading ideas, and these are all free trading signals. You can click on them and it comes with full analysis. It's very cool. Some of them come with videos, and if you want the most recent signals, just come over here to most recent, and you could always look down here at how many minutes ago the signal was posted, so you know if that signal is still valid, and you're not looking at a bunch of analysis from 2 weeks ago. This is really what I think traders should be doing with their free trading signals, because they can actually learn, maybe even find 1 or 2 providers that trade their exact strategy, and then follow along with that. As for my testing results with TradingView, they were great. It was very easy for me to analyze and cherry pick the signals that I wanted based on my strategies. Instead of just a random chart like we saw on Reddit, this trade analysis on TradingView almost always comes with detailed explanations. This one somehow even has a video. Very, very cool. And so the main reason TradingView is #1 is because it gives you education. You can actually learn from the signals so that you can become a better trader. Now, if you like my list, please click the link in the description and join my free trading room. Smash the like button, subscribe, do all that stuff. Maybe watch this video right here. Definitely watch this video right here, and I'll be back next week. Much love.